Good morning and welcome to GHRC News Desk. Let's move on to the headlines of the day. SRC organizes first international symposium for students on Web 3.0. GHRC team emerged as Indian champion and world finalist for Microsoft Imagine Cup 2022. GHRC receives 2 project prizes in International Project Competition VISAI 2022. Workshop on intellectual property right, patent and design feeling held at GHRC. International Women's Day celebrated at GHRC. International Mother Language Day celebrated by EBSB cell of GHRC on 21st February 2022. The first story we are going to cover today is First International Symposium for Students on Web 3.0. On 26 February 2022, a first of its kind international symposium was held at G21 Hall of GHRC in hybrid mode from 10 am to 5:30 pm. The symposium was arranged by the Students' Representative Council, which was led by Dr. Kapil Jhajulwar, Dean SAC, and the faculty coordinators Dr. Sujesh Godmare, Professor Akshay Gulgane, Professor Nikita Chauhan, and Professor Atiya Khan. The chief guest was Dr. Kevin Morris, research scientist, SBMT, Los Angeles, California, USA, and the guest honor was Dr. Philbert Hillman Juwono, lecturer, Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, Curtin University, Malaysia. The event had 5 sessions led by 3 international speakers, Dr. Kevin Morris, Philbert Hillman Juwono, Mr. Sheetal Kumar R. Sukhdeve Senior, data scientist, PT Smartform Telecom, Jakarta, Indonesia, and 2 national speakers, Dr. Meenakshi Arya, Professor SRM Institute, Science and Technology, Chennai, and Mr. Anil Bavaskar, CEO Embedded Creation Solution, PVT Limited, Nagpur, was all incredibly instructive and mind-expanding. The sessions were delivered on various topics like healthcare aspects on COVID-19, vision-based malware detection, introduction to Web 3.0 and 4.0, artificial intelligence, and recent trends in AI and ML respectively. The event was hosted by Ms. Surmai Mukherjee, President of SRC, and was co-anchored by Spandan Kasare and Samiksha Bharti. The event began with the recitation of Saraswati Vandana by Samiksha Bharti and lighting of the lamp by the Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director, Mr. Dr. Mileen Khanapurkar, Dean Academics, and Deputy Director Dr. Pramod Walke, Deputy Director, followed by the preamble speech Dr. Kapil Jhajulwar, Dean SAC. Dr. S.B. Jaju, Dean R&D at GHRC, briefed about the research and development activities carried out at GHRC. He gave an overview of the R&D Center achievements. Dr. Sachin Untavle, Dr. GHRC, addressed all the gatherings. He encouraged all the students to attend many more similar seminars to broaden the knowledge spectrum. He also commended the members of the SRC for organizing the successful event. After each session, students have participated in an interactive questionnaire round, in which they asked the questions and voiced their concerns. Finally, the students provided the feedback and Dr. Sujesh Godmare gave a vote of appreciation. In this event, total 135 students, national and international, UG and PG, were participated. Amongst the 5 students from international domain, 2 Canada, 3 Austria, 22 PG students and 25 outside GHRC students were part of the same. GHRC team emerged as Indian champions and world finalists for Microsoft Imagine Cup 2022. Team synthesizes AI, Atharva Khedkar, AI 6th SEM, Rishta Mishra, Electronics 8th SEM, Atharva Peshkar, IT 8th SEM, and Aniket Singh, AI 6th SEM, had a whipping victory on 24th February, has emerged as the Indian champions and world finalists for Microsoft Imagine Cup 2022. They proved themselves at every stage of the rigorous 6-round process, competing with thousands of projects submitted this year. In the India Grand Finale, they had an opportunity to showcase their projects to an esteemed panel of judges, Mr. Anant Maheshwari, President Microsoft of India, Mr. Awais Mehmed, founder and CEO of Pixel, Mrs. Trupti Mukkar, CEO, Whitehead Junior Byju's Future School, and Mrs. Shraddha Sharma, founder and CEO of Your Story Media. They will be competing at World Finals on 29th March 2021 with 48 teams from around the world. Imagine Cup is the most prestigious annual competition sponsored and hosted by Microsoft Corporation, which brings together student developers worldwide to help resolve some of the world's toughest challenges. Started it 2003, it has steadily grown with more than 358,000 competitors representing 183 countries and regions. The Imagine Cup worldwide final have been held all over the globe. Through the Synthesize AI project, students from GH Raisoni College of Engineering Nagpur leverage the power of generative models to develop a solution that can generate high fidelity medical image data which preserve patient privacy and can augment or replace the real world data. GHRC received two project prizes in International Project Competition VISAI 2022. 12th Virtual International Projects Competition and Exhibition VISAI 2022 was organized by Welltake Raghavan, Dr. Sagunthala R&D Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. In the first round, 5 projects from GHRC, 1 from Electronics Department and other 3 projects from Mechanical Department was shortlisted for this competition. More than 250 projects were submitted in 9 categories pan-India. Out of them, 48 projects were shortlisted for the final demonstration and virtual presentation in front of national level jury panel. Out of them, in the agriculture category, project design and multipurpose agro system using swarm intelligence guided by Dr. Kapil Jhajulwar of Electronics Department along with team members Mr. Nakul Pandare and Mr. Nakul Mangle received second prize of rupees 7,000 cash and certificate. In the same category, project title Design and Development of Cockpit Making Machine of Mechanical Engineering Department guided by Dr. Nilesh Avte along with team members Mr. Nayak Karbade, Mr. Ishan Koche, Mr. Nayan Pawar got third prize of rupees 5,000 cash and certificate. Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director GHRC, congratulated winning project guide students, members and both the department for this achievements. Intellectual Property Rights Project Patent and Design Filing. Workshop on Intellectual Property Rights Patent and Design Filing was organized by Institution Innovation Councils in association with Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur on 24 February 2022. The expert talk was delivered by Pankaj P. Borkar by DY Controller of Patents and Design Group of Gazetted Officer. He has thrown light on importance of IPR and provided the details of patent and design filing to its need of the students. Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director GHRC, all deans and heads were present for the workshop. Dr. Dinesh Padole and Dr. Prema Daigavane have taken efforts to make the program successful. The beneficiaries were 760 plus students of the UG and PG and faculty of GHRC. They get benefited by the details about IPR provided by the expert. Experts delivering lecture through WebEx platform on intellectual property right, patent and design filing. International Women's Day celebrated by Women's Cell, NSS Cell and First Year Forum Faith at GHRC. Every year, 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day worldwide. On behalf of this day, Women's Cell, National Service Cell and First Year Forum Faith of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur celebrated International Women's Day on 8th March 2022. The program was held in mini auditorium of GHRC. Chief guest invited for the function was Srimati Shruti Deshpande, social activist in Nagpur city. The program was graced by the director GHRC, Dr. Sachin Untavle. The project was started with the preamble by Dr. P. Daigavane, Women's Cell in charge, followed by the address Dr. Sachin Untavle. Dr. Untavle given the best wishes to all attendings and said thanks to guest for her valuable time. Then, newly elected NSS officer bearers were felicitated by the distribution of badges by the hands of Chief Guest and Director GHRC. Then, address of Chief Guest was given. Ms. Srimati Deshpande given various tricks to defensive driving for the women and cleared various simple concepts which are essential for the woman during driving. She talked safety in her talk in very simple language. She concluded her speech with thanks of organizing committee. After her, Dr. Mangesh Borkar, NSS program officer, given the vote of thanks. At the end of the program, cake cut program was also arranged for women member of GHRC. The program was well coordinated by Dr. Mangesh Borkar under the valued guidance of Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director GHRC Nagpur. International Mother Language Day celebrated by EBSB cell of GHRC on 21st February 2022. Every year 21st February is celebrated as International Language Day. On the occasion of this day on 2022, National Service Scheme Cell of GH Raisoni College of Engineering Nagpur celebrated International Language Day under Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat Club. The GHRC Nagpur Maharashtra is mapped with CV Raman Global University, Bhubaneswaram, Odisha since 1.5 years and conducted many collaborative activities. This collaboration International Language Day celebrated by both institution students through online mode. The anchoring of program was done by Mr. Atharva Bhalerao and preamble of program was given by Professor Mangesh Borkar, NSSPO, Mr. Subhanshu Pani, CVRGU given the video message in Marathi language, wherein Miss Pooja Mandarkar, GHRC given in Odia language, Mr. Abhishek Pramanik, CVRGU read the poem in Marathi. Miss Sheetal Punde given information in Marathi in her speech. On the other side, Miss Jyotirmayi Mohanty gave the information of Odia language in her speech. Mr. Chaitanya Jot, Miss Sheetal Mohapatra also recited their speeches on this day. Professor Rahul Burman, Professor Salman Khan CVRGU given review on this event. A poster making competition was also conducted on this day for both institution students. Students made beautiful poster in this constant. The activity was well conducted by Professor A. Kundu CVRGU, Professor Mangesh Borkar, NSSPU under the guidance of Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director GHRC Nagpur. Thank you.